Good morning students, welcome to the online class of grammar. In the previous lecture we have seen about some important points regarding simple present tense. Okay, so what is the simple present tense? We use simple present to talk about habits and action that are always true or happen repeatedly. Okay, so simple present tense क्या होता है? एक्शन के बारे में और हैबिट जो हमेशा ट्रू होती है और जो रिपीटेडली होती है उसे हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस बोलते हैं, राइट? जो एक्शन कंटिन्यूसली हो रही है, राइट, दैट हैपन्स रिपीटेडली, अगेन एंड अगेन हो रही है उसे हम, और जो ट्रू है, राइट। तो हम हैबिट्स और एक्शन के बारे में बात करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन. आई विल प्ले गिटार एवरी डे. GT plays guitar every day. So these are the simple present tense. Okay, and the verb is play and plays. Okay, moving on our next page number 48. We have learned this in the previous lecture. Exercise A, choose the correct word from cloud A, B and C to form five sentence about a few action you do repeatedly. Okay, सो ये एक्शंस बताने के लिए जो हम बार बार करते हैं. सो हियर वी हैव सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज. यहाँ पे आपको क्लाउड्स का यूज़ करके ये वर्ड्स बनाना है, ठीक है. आई प्लांट पिक्चर्स इन द इवनिंग. माई सिस्टर लिसन टू म्यूजिक इन द मॉर्निंग्स. ओके. मिस शोभा गोज टू मैचेस ऑन वीकेंड्स. ओके. मिस शोभा कहाँ पे जा रही है? मैचेस देखने के लिए, मैच देखने के लिए जा रही है. कब? वीकेंड में. वीकेंड मीन्स सैटरडे और संडे के दिन उसे वीकेंड बोलते हैं, राइट. मिस्टर वेंकट रीड मिस्ट्री स्टोरीज इन द इवनिंग्स. मिस्टर वेंकट मिस्ट्री बुक्स स्टोरीज कब सुनते हैं? रीड कब करते हैं? इवनिंग्स में, राइट. द कुक मेक सलाद एवरी डे. तो कुक मतलब क्या होता है? जो खाना पकाने वाला होता है उसे कुक बोलते हैं. द कुक मेक सलाद एवरी डे. कुक सलाद बनाता है रोज़. ओके. व्हाट्स अ सलाद? सलाद वेजिटेबल का एक वो होता है जिससे सलाद, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल आर मिक्स टुगेदर एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड सलाद. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज आई लर्न अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज इन द इवनिंग्स. ओके. आई लर्न अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज. मैं कोई बाहर के देश की लैंग्वेज सीख रहा हूँ शाम में. ओके. सो आई लर्न अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज इन द इवनिंग. So these are the sentence which we have to make using the three clouds A, B and C. Okay. So we have to use simple present tense while making this sentence. Okay. Next is on page number 49, negative sentence in simple present tense. Now we have seen the positive present tense and now we will see the negative present tense. We form negative sentence by adding don't or doesn't. Okay. So don't and doesn't we have to use. Okay. Don't is the short form of do not and doesn't is the short form of does not. Okay. So here short form is used. First person, I don't fly, I don't have. Plural, we don't fly, we don't have. Second person, you don't fly, you don't have. Plural, you don't fly, you don't have. Third person, now in the third person, in the first and second person we have used don't. In the third person singular we will use doesn't. He doesn't fly, she doesn't fly, it doesn't fly. He doesn't have, she doesn't have, it doesn't have. Okay, in the plural form, they don't fly, they don't have. Okay, you can see third person singular doesn't is used. On other, all of the other we have used don't. Okay, remember the verb doesn't take s or es, from where we use doesn't or don't. Okay, I don't eat strawberry ice cream. Sneha doesn't have the ice cream. Okay, so here don't and doesn't is used. Okay. Okay, once again I have to tell you, don't is the shortcut for do not, and doesn't is a shortcut for does not. Okay. B1, Turn the following positive statement into negative sentence using do not, or, and does not. Okay. Students, before going with the exercise, there is a notice here. All you can read here. We use doesn't only when the subject is third person singular. He, she, it के लिए हम doesn't का यूज़ करते हैं, और the name of person, place और thing इसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? doesn't. ओके. अगर कोई पर्सन का नेम है, प्लेस का नेम है या थिंग का नेम है, तो हम वहाँ पे डजेंट का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके. लेट अस बिगिन. फर्स्ट वन, आई कीप अ जर्नल. आई डू नॉट कीप अ जर्नल. सेकेंड वन, आई डोनेट old storybooks to the orphanage. I do not donate old storybook to the orphanage. Okay, so simply do not is used. Sentence is same. आपको सिर्फ do not का यूज़ करना है. They feed the birds. They do not feed the birds. You keep a bowl of water in the garden for the birds. You do not keep a bowl of water in the garden for the birds. Fifth one, Carl walks his neighbor's Carl walk his old neighbor's dog. So here, fifth one, there is a little change. Carl is a person name, so we are using does not here. Okay, Carl does not walk his Carl does not Carl does not walk his old neighbor dog. Okay. Okay. Next one. Sixth one. Carl and Sandra try to learn their new neighbor's language. Sixth one. Carl and Sandra do not try to learn their new neighbor's language. Okay, here also name is given here, but here Carl and Sandra are two different means two persons are there, so it is a plural, so we have used do not. Okay, if it is a one person, then we will use does not, and if it is two person, we will not use do not. Seventh one, she writes in her diary regularly. She does not write in her diary regularly. Again, there is a third person singular, so we have used does not. Question in simple present tense. Okay, so we will use the word do and does for the present. This we have studied in the previous lecture. One more time we are going to see. Meaning of do, same is there, we will use the do, but for third person singular we will use does. Okay, so directly begin with our directly we are beginning with our exercise. C1, first one, yes the robot sing. Does the robot sing? Second, yes she build robots. Does she build robots? Okay, she is a third person singular, so we are using does here. Third one, no the robot don't play. Do the robot play? Do the robots play? So we have used do here because the robot is a singular it's a singular person, right? A plural person, robots. Okay, more than one. Okay, so we are using do. Yes the robot do all my homework. Does the robot do all my homework? Now here you can see does, it is given here. Okay, because robot is a singular person. Okay, so we have used the does. In the above, as is the robots were there. Okay, more than one, so we have used do, and in this does we have used. Okay, no my teacher don't like the robot. So do the teacher like the robot? Okay, do teacher like the robot? So here you can see here teachers is also a plural, so we have used do. Okay, okay, do my teachers like the robot? Okay, so it is that. Okay, so this was our lesson number 11, simple present tense. So students, keep in mind where you have to use do and does, don't and does not and do not. Okay, keep in mind in the third person singular is there, then only we have to make the use, otherwise in all of them it is same. Okay, so that's all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.